Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and today we have this Mini Countryman. This particular Mini is the four-wheel drive version. It has got very low mileage, and in today's video I'm going to show you all around it so you know what to expect when coming here to the Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. This Mini Countryman has the 2-litre diesel engine with a manual gearbox. You get a fuel economy of around 58 miles to the gallon, and it has 141 brake horsepower. This Mini is in insurance group 20E and tax is £165 for the year. This Mini was first registered in April 2014 and it has covered only 51,900 miles. So we're just going to take a walk around and note all the blemishes that we find. We'll start off on the front bumper here. Take a slow sort of stroll around. And the stone chip there. There's a couple of little stone chips just in the front bumper here, nothing serious. Take a look at the bonnet. On the bonnet we have got some of the decals have sort of faded around the edges, as you can see. I'll just show you all that now. And the other sort of blemish we have here is we have some lacquer peel on the front just above that headlight. But other than that, we're all looking good. I'll just show you that windscreen. I can't see any sort of damage to the windscreen, so that's all looking good. Now we'll take a walk around to the driver's side. Show you that front quarter. Show you the wheel. Wheels all looking good. Quarter's all looking good. The only thing we've got is the plastics have started fading there, as you can probably see in the camera. Got a couple of scratches on the wing mirror. Door itself's all looking good. Keep walking around. Oh, there seems to be a bit of a scratch there on the rear driver's door. Keep going around. I'll just show you this wheel. Looking tidy. Keep walking around. On the boot here we've got a little bit of a scuff there. Probably from some luggage. A couple of little minor scratches still on this lid. Nothing serious. The boot itself, all looking quite tidy. And the glass, again, all looking good. And now this rear passenger quarter, I'll just show you that wheel. There's a bit of a curb up on this wheel here. You can probably see that. This quarter here, can't see any damage there. We'll just keep walking around. Got a couple of little dents, very minor, on this passenger door. You can probably just see it in the light there. Other than that, we're all looking good. Well, we've got a bit of paint discoloration here on this mirror. So you just see that. And again, we've got the other, like the other side, the plastic is a bit faded there, or above the indicator. But everything else is looking tidy. I'll just show you this wheel. Again, that is looking quite good, that wheel. Can't see any curbing on there. Right, let's just jump inside. So we'll just take a look in the boot here. You do get a lot of space in these Countrymans, and this floor does lift up to give you additional space. The locking wheel nut is just behind this plastic panel there, as you can see in the little holder. And there is a 12-volt socket in the boot here. Just show you the back seats. The seats themselves, all looking very good. Doesn't seem to be any sort of staining or damage. You do get your 2 cup holders, a 12-volt socket back here too. So we'll just take a look in the front here. There you go, that funky dash. It does come with a mini phone holder too. So on the door here you've got your electric window controls with your mirror controls. There's your steering wheel with your cruise control and your steering mounted controls. On this stalk you've got your wipers. This stalk you've got your lights. There's your centre with your speedometer and your fuel gauge and your media player. There's your climate controls. There's your gear stick. And there's the handbrake. Okay, so we are in the car. I've just put the handbrake down, put the key in the starter, push, see that start up, and we'll just check the dash there. As you see, we've got DAB. Turn that down. As you see, there's no warning lights on the dash, and we'll just take a look at this one again. No warning lights on the dash. So this car will come with an MOT, service and a 3-month 3,000 mile warranty as standard, which you can upgrade to a 12-month one if you wish. Now this car has had previous services in 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, and again it'll be serviced by us ahead of delivery. We do offer finance and delivery also. This car can be secured with a £100 reservation fee, which will be deductible from the total bill should you purchase it. But I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We're very proud of them. But thank you for watching.